Hello, everyone, and welcome to this orientation session of Prime Pass Institute. Um, I hope my voice is audible. It's clear. Yes, the screen is visible to everyone, right? Admin? Yeah, excellent. Yes, I would like to request that all questions be kept for the question answer sessions. Uh, yes, at the end of the presentation, and I'll be happy to answer every question in detail, right? Thank you. Okay, so today's orientation has three main objectives. First, to introduce ourselves as a Prime Pass Institute, and then we have to explain the opportunities available through ACCA and CMA qualifications, and then to help you understand how our unique pass first, pay later model supports your educational and professional journey, right? So the first thing is uh, how this model actually works. So Prime Pass Institute is established with a unique but very powerful vision to make world-class professional education accessible, affordable, and achievable for ambitious students around the globe. We understand that students pursuing professional qualification often face two major challenges. Challenge one, of course, passing professional examination itself is a big challenge because many students are intelligent, hardworking, motivated, yet they struggle because they lack the right guidance, learning strategy, or academic support. And the second challenge is financial barriers. Professional education can be expensive, and many talented students delay their dreams simply because they cannot afford high tuition fees. Now, Prime Pass Institute is created to address these basic uh, challenges. So, how it's going to work? So, our philosophy is simple: pass first, pay later. We believe students should focus on learning and success rather than financial pressures. So, our success is directly linked to your success. So if you pass, then we pass. Otherwise, you know, it's not going to work. So this is the basic philosophy. Moving ahead is right. So first thing is why choose accounting and finance. So before discussing ACCA and CMA, let's answer an important question. The answer is simple. Every organization in the world needs accounting and finance professions. So whether it is a hospital, school, university, factory, bank, government department, whatever, every organization requires financial management, reporting, budgeting, compliance, and decision-making support. Unlike many professions that are limited to specific industries, accounting and finance is needed everywhere. So this makes it one of the most stable, versatile, and globally transferable professions in the world. Now comes the role of ACCA and CMA. Now, once you decide to build a career in accounting and finance, the next step is choosing a qualification that offers international recognition and long-term career value. So this is where I believe ACCA and CMA stand out. For more than 3 decades, these qualifications have built strong global reputations and have helped thousands of professionals establish a successful career in accounting, auditing, financial management, strategic planning, business leadership, and you name it. So, employers around the world recognize and respect these qualifications because they represent high professional standards and practical business knowledge. So, and I mean, this is one of the key thing, and the other one is the that I mean these qualifications offer uh, they are one of the greatest advantages of ACC and CMA is international recognition, because students from, let's say, South Asia, Middle East, Africa, and many of the regions often face challenges when applying for international opportunities. So employers may not always be familiar with local qualifications. So, however, ACC and CMA are globally recognized credentials. So, when employers see these qualifications on your CV, they immediately understand the quality, rigor, and professional standards behind them. So this creates greater confidence and significantly improves career opportunities, right? Now, uh, once you decide this, accounting finance thing and the ACCA CMA thing, then so uh, moving ahead, traditionally, obtaining an international degree often requires substantial financial investment. So a student must pay for tuition fees, accommodation, transportation, living expenses, visa and relocation cost, and so how to overcome all this. So for many families, these expenses can be overwhelming. So professional qualifications such as ACCA and CMA provide an alternative pathway. Students can study from their home country, remain close to their families, continue working if necessary, and still obtaining internationally respected qualifications. So you understand what I'm saying? So it's like, so most importantly, employers evaluate the qualification itself, not where you attended classes. This allows the student to save significant amount of time, money, while building a competitive professional profile. Okay, so I mean, you can go on and on discussing the benefits and of these ACC and CMA qualifications thing. This most of you are familiar of. But the $1 million question is, I mean, that's okay. It's highly potential, very lucrative. That's okay. But are ACC and CMA qualification, I mean, are they difficult? No, this is something that needs to be answered. The honest answer is yes, they are challenging. And that is exactly why they are valuable. If everyone could pass these examinations without effort, they would not carry the same prestige or professional recognition. Simple. So the challenge is what creates the reward. So every paper you pass demonstrates discipline, competence, and professional capability. That is why employers value these qualifications so highly. Okay. Now, why students struggle? I mean, why they consider them passing very difficult? Why? So most students do not fail because they lack intelligence. Students struggle for different reasons: weak conceptual foundations, ineffective study techniques, lack of structured preparation, poor examination strategies, insufficient academic support. Now, these challenges can be overcome, and this is where Prime Pass Institute plays an important role. Okay, right. So today there are many institutions offering ACCA and CMA tuition, and many of them are doing excellent work. I mean, no question about it. But however, I mean, our focus is different. We are not simply interested in delivering lectures. We are committed to helping students succeed. We believe every sincere student has a potential to pass. Some students learn quickly, others need additional guidance and support. So our responsibility is to identify learning gaps, strengthen understanding, and help the student build confidence. So our educational model is simply designed as a conceptual understanding, exam-focused preparation, continuous assessment, academic monitoring, and student support and guidance. Because success is not accidental. Success is a process. So this makes the theme, I mean, unique, and this is where we stand out from others. Right. Now, our unique pass first, pay later model reflects our confidence in our education approach. We believe students should invest in results, not promises. By reducing financial barriers, we allow students to focus on what matters most, and that is learning, understanding, passing, and building a successful career. So, this is the main theme, and this is how we believe that you are going to overcome not only cost barrier and make a successful career. Uh, yes, admin is continuously telling me to conclude. Anyways, so I believe I've covered all the slides, I believe. Yes. Uh, so as you begin your ACCA CMA journey, remember, professional success is not determined by talent alone. It is built through commitment, consistency, discipline, persistence, and the right guidance. So there will be challenges, there will be difficult papers, there will be moments when you feel tested, but every successful ACCA member and CMA professional once stood exactly where you are today. So the difference is that they continued moving forward. At Prime Pass Institute, we are committed to supporting you every step of that journey. Okay? So this is the long and short story. I tried to cover every slide, I believe, in it. I did so. Yeah. Yes, this is all we have already covered. So thank you very much for your time. And I believe this small presentation gives you a brief idea how things we have planned and how things is going to work. And we wish you every success in your studies, your examination, and your future professional career. Thank you very much. Pass first, pay later. Your success is our success. Okay. Now the question and answer session. Thank you very much.